And you designed like a specific compound within the brake fluid specific to your brakes, right?
Oh, so for the brake fluid, yes, absolutely, because we define the chemical composition in our R&D chemical laboratory, because the requirement was to achieve the requirement of specialized team in terms of low viscosity. Because it's very low viscosity compared to the competitor. The brake fluid is a mineral oil and available on the market together with the kit.
Why low viscosity versus high viscosity?
Competitor 1, 2, 3 in red. Our viscosity, kinematic viscosity is so low and go down when the temperature go up.
So you want it to be able to flow much quicker,
much
high
faster,
temperature, so that you can get much more response?
With the low viscosity, you can create pressure so fast. You can anticipate the braking power. You can bite.
And then he was also mentioning that you all put your like the spokes in tension versus compression. Do you know why that was done at all?
So, if I can be very honest, so this is the right version. This is the right direction. The competitor are in the wrong position. Because we work and we produce brake discs for motorcycle in the motorcycle in the racing championship and also for the road. And we have the experience regarding how design the position. And how reduce the stress on the brake disc, especially on 2.3 millimeter brake disc thickness. Compared to that one, that's 8 millimeter in carbon for the MotoGP, or 6 or 5.5 millimeter in the Superbike Championship. With this experience, we know that we have to design the brake disc in this way.
But why is it like because you want a little bit more spring on the disc, or is it also like
no,
the stability of the
because we want to maintain the stability, especially we don't want to create this kind of movement. Otherwise, the brake path is completely noise. I want to maintain the brake disc flat.
Because that was always thing like early on when I first started working on mountain bikes. That was the main thing I thought, like, why is they have it always in compression? Because really this setup is intention. You can make it more efficient. My only thought was maybe from a fatigue standpoint, in compression you don't have to worry about it. It's always stability. But that was one thing that I always wondered why the industry did it that way. Because this makes sense to me from a structural standpoint, from a stress analysis standpoint. This makes sense.
My question was, whatever came in,
Okay. For the suspension, you see here, and the brakes. Okay. They'll all be early 2022.
Gotcha. What kind of like damping?
The Highland is also carbon on the air shock.
Is that just for weight or?
Detail. I love the ceramic. I love
Part of the food that we test is like a burger on this. Understand like I burger. Want the same thing? They could do caramel.
because of this car. Oh wait.
Trail One is my biggest supporter, and they make some very well thought out components, each of which gives back to the trails that we ride. Check them out and use the code SupportTheTrails-Pete for a discount at checkout.